guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs, and as you can see, we had a preview of this car when we picked it up at Nico Storbeck. We have fitted the spoiler in the front so long, and yeah, there's a lot of work to be done. We've got Michael, the guy who helped us out on our Escort here today, our panel beater, to come and assist us to get this car in tip-top show condition shape. There's a lot of prep work to be done. It's going to take a few days, a few weeks, but it's all in the prep work. And yeah, let's see how good of a show car we can build here for this guy.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, but I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark.
What's up, guys? So you can see we've cut the holes in the balance. Michael is busy finishing up the front end now, and then we're gonna put a first coat of check primer on it just to see how it looks more or less on the front end, just to make sure all the cracks and everything is hidden away. Then we're gonna flat it down and prep it even more. So yeah, guys, the next few weeks will mostly be prep work, so bear with us. It's a tedious process, but 95% that goes into a show car is preparation work. Otherwise your paint doesn't show as the way it should. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I hope you guys like the videos that we make. Please like, subscribe, and share the shit out of it. Thank you for all the followers that we've received so far, and please, if you have any inquiries, give us a shout at Animal Racing Customs on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Also, we are on TikTok for some short interesting videos as well, just to keep everything funny a bit. So please hit a follow there on TikTok as well. We would appreciate it a lot.
And that's when I